Welcome to Expanded Reports for QuickBooks. In this video we're going to address adding more data and creating a pivot or summary report. To add additional data to an existing report, in this case I have sales by item detail open, click on Modify Report, and on this Display tab you can just start typing what information it is that you want to add. You'll see I started to type sales tax. This information at the top is going to be coming from the form itself. Then you will see customer dot and then some sales tax information. That's coming from the customer list. If we scroll down, you'll see the account list, sales tax code list. So there is a lot of additional information that you can choose to add. In order to have that information included on the report, simply check a box and that will add that information to your report. Now, summary and pivot views are one of the most powerful pieces of Expanded Reports. If you click on Summary Pivot View, this button, then this is going to let you determine what groups you want for the columns. So in this case, if I choose date, the row will be various groups. In this case we have type and primary, and then for the sum I'm going to choose amount. Click on OK, and that quickly and easily we have a pivot table. So you'll see that there are a lot of additional date options that are available by default. If I decide I'd like this report to be a little bit different, I can drag the item type over to this field list to remove it. Maybe I've decided that instead of date I'd really rather have the customer. So I grab name, place it here, now I have the customer. I have amount for the detail. If I click on quantity, I can now have quantity and amount. By right-clicking, I can change the field settings so that I can add, for example, an automatic or a sum for each of these, or add max or min, whatever I would like. So in this case, if I say average, and say OK, now it's showing what the average is for each one of these different sales. So now you have a pivot report and you can go through and manipulate it in any way that you would like.